Hey YouTube, welcome back and thanks for tuning in. I'm going to try something a little different today than what I normally do, and that is an unboxing video. I got a tank bag for the BMW from SW-Motech Pro Engage tank bag. So let's open this thing up and see what it looks like. Here is the Pro Tank ring to mount it to the tank. And here is the tank bag itself. Comes in this really nice bag with these drawstrings. Let's see if we can get it open. And this is what it looks like. This is supposed to expand from 7 liters to 10 liters. It has, I think, just enough storage without looking gigantic on top of the tank, and it won't rest on the paint, which was important to me. Inside the Pro Tank ring box is the tank ring, some directions, and some hardware. Packed inside the bag, we have what looks like a rain cover. Yep, because the bag is not waterproof as it is. So one rain cover and the mounting hardware that will attach to the bottom of the bag. I do notice that there's I guess the plastic base that's internal to the bag itself. Kind of takes up a little bit of room here, but not terrible. We have a zip pocket here on the inside of the lid. We have MOLLE attachments here if you want to add a map pocket or a tablet pocket or something like that. And let's see, yep, here it is. Got a pass-through in the front for a USB cable and also for the tether that you use to unhook from the tank. Let's try and unzip it to expand it. So this is what it looks like when it's expanded to full capacity. It's not terribly large, but I'd say big enough to hold a lot of stuff. You can see it expands about 1.5 inches or so. Looks like good quality, seems to be well built. And the next thing we're going to do is install it on the bike.